Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin at Berry Avenue, head straight to the safe zone and check the NPC spawn window so you waste no time. Once done, equip stealth gear and place a waypoint on the man mesh spawn location. This reduces backtracking. Next, collect the 3 key items: token for access, bait to lure, and a 0. 5 stamina potion to maintain speed. Make sure to set your gear loadout for minimal noise. This matters because man mesh reacts to sound and movement patterns. Once man mesh is in range, place bait in a quiet corner and step back to avoid detection. The creature needs 30 to 60 seconds to begin its pattern. Then, trigger the lure with a brief noise burst so it moves predictably. This gives you control over its path. Make sure to stand 10 to 15 meters away and have your token ready. Apply the token for proximity interaction as it arrives. This sequence lets you steer behavior and open the chance to acquire the mesh. When man mesh pauses over the bait, move in and execute the retrieval command immediately. You typically have about 3 seconds to grab the mesh. If it flees instead, consume a 1/2 stamina potion to sprint and reapply bait at a nearby, safer spot. Make sure to re-equip stealth gear before trying again. If problems persist, check the spawn timer, verify NPC states, or relocate 20 to 30 meters and repeat the lure sequence.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.